Hello there. Before we do anything else in our music lesson, I'd just like to say a huge thank you for your beautiful pictures and these amazing cards which you gave last week. That was really kind, and Daniel liked them as well. Thank you, Daniel. We're going to start by singing our good morning song, and we're going to start with the hedgehogs today. Ready, good morning hedgehogs, how are you today? Good morning hedgehogs, it's music class, hooray! That was fun, wasn't it? Let's try with the rabbits this time. Ready, good morning rabbits, how are you today? Good morning rabbits, it's music class, hooray! Fantastic. I wonder if you could clap the pulse along to that song. So it's going to go like this. Let's start with the rabbits this time. Ready, good morning rabbits, how are you today? Good morning rabbits, it's music class, hooray! See if you can do that with the piano. And ready, good morning rabbits, how are you today? Good morning rabbits, it's music class, hooray! And now the hedgehogs, get your clapping at the ready. Now, I can't clap, can I? Because I'm playing the piano, and that takes two hands. If I try and clap and play the piano, it could go very wrong. So, let's try the hedgehogs, singing and clapping, ready? Good morning hedgehogs, how are you today? Good morning hedgehogs, it's music class, hooray! Great, well done. Now I wonder if any of you can remember what very special thing we're learning about in music this term. That's right, it's the pulse. Now some of you might have thought animals, and you're right as well, because we are learning about animals as well. But for this part of the lesson, we're thinking about the pulse. Now I asked you a question last week, which was, what is the pulse? I wonder if you can remember your answer. Well done if you said the pulse is the heartbeat of the music, or the pulse is a steady beat. Because that's absolutely right. I'm making a pulse right now. Do you want to join me? There we go, nice steady beat. Fantastic, well done. And we're going to be using a new song today to help us learn about the pulse. And this song is about my friend here called Harry Hare. Now he's a strange looking hare, but he is a hare, and a hare is a type of rabbit. I don't really know the difference between a rabbit and a hare. I wonder if you do. I wonder if you could tell me on Seesaw what the difference is between a rabbit and a hare. That would be really impressive. But let's learn our song. And we're going to learn our song by you copying me. So I'm going to do a line, and then you are going to sing it back to me, just the way that I sung it. So let's begin. Harry Hare is in a hurry, full of care and full of worry. Harry Hare is late for tea. What a naughty hare is he! Well done! Let's try the whole thing together. Ready? Harry Hare is in a hurry, full of care and full of worry. Harry Hare is late for tea. What a naughty hare is he! Well done! Fantastic work! I wonder if you can work out what the pulse is of that song. It's this, isn't it? Harry Hare is in a hurry. And now I'd like you to get your teddy bear, or if you have a hare like me, even better, and I'd like you to move your teddy bear to the pulse of the song while you're singing it. Here we go. Ready, hurry, hare is in a hurry, full of care and full of worry. Hurry, hare is late for tea, what a naughty hare is he. Yes! Brilliant work! Excellent! So last week we learnt some special animal noises to make different patterns with, didn't we? We learnt meow, 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 and moo, moo, and roar, and woof, 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 woof. And today we're going to make some patterns out of some different shapes. Ooh, take a look at this shape. It's just a line, isn't it? It's just a line. And that shape is going to be called tar. Look at this pattern here. It goes like this, doesn't it? Tar, 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 tar. And do you notice how there's a heart next to every tar or above every tar? That heart is the pulse. So these tars, there's one every pulse, one every beat, or they're 1 beat long. And they go like this. Tar, 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 tar. So I'm clapping the pulse and I'm saying the pattern. Let's try it. Tar, 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 tar. Great stuff. Ooh, that's a different pattern. Look at that. It's 2 lines coming down with a line on the top joining them up. So it looks kind of like a N, doesn't it? But very square. Or it looks like 3 sides of a square with the bottom missing. And this symbol is called a TT. TT. Wow, look at this pattern now. I wonder if we can say this. T, 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 T. And notice how above every TT there's a heart. So these TTs together last 1 beat, which means that 1 T is half a beat. So let's try saying this together. T, 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 T. And now let's try clapping the pulse while we say this pattern. T, 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 T. Great stuff. Well done. Oh, we've got another pattern here. Look at that. It goes like this. Ta, T, T, ta, T, T. Let's try the pulse with that. Ta, T, T, ta, T, T. Very good. Let's try another one. Ooh, what do you think that goes like? Well done. Ta, ta, T, T, ta. Great stuff. What about this one? That's right. T, T, ta, T, T, ta. What about this one? Ta, 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 T, T. Well done. I wonder if you can make up some patterns of your own using tars and TTs. Okay, it's time to go back to our song. Can you remember it? Well done. It goes like this. Hurry, hare is in a hurry, full of care and full of worry. Hurry, hare is late for tea, what a naughty hare is he. Hurry, hare is in a hurry, full of care and full of worry. Hurry, hare is late for tea, what a naughty hare is he. Did you notice how those symbols matched what I was singing? So if I replace the words of the Harry Hare song with tars and TTs, it would fit perfectly. It would go like this, wouldn't it? T T T T T T T T T T T T T T T T T T T T T ta. T T T T T T ta. Wow! Why don't you try that with me? Ready? T T T T T T T T T T T T T T T T T T T T ta. T T T T T T ta. Well done! Brilliant! Really well done today. Let's go over the main points. So we've learnt that the pulse is a steady beat. And in all those examples, the pulse remained really steady, didn't it? Really steady and constant. And we've learnt that you can put different patterns over that steady beat. So we can put TTs, T, 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 T over this same beat, or tars, tar, 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 tar. So the beat stays the same, but the patterns can be different. And we've learnt that we can use different symbols to show these patterns. So we used the line for the tar, and we used that N shape for the TT. And we recognise the tar or the TT because of their symbol. So next week we're going to be learning more about this, and these patterns are called rhythms, and we're going to be learning more about rhythms and rhythm this term. Bye! I hope you've been enjoying the Carnival of the Animals, all those brilliant pieces of music that Camille Saint-Saëns wrote about different animals, and I hope you've enjoyed the funny words that I've put with them. And I have another video for you this week, and this week the animal is fossils. Ooh, I wonder if you know what fossils are. Well, they're not really an animal. They're actually the remains of dead animals which have been preserved for thousands and thousands of years underground. And it's a very exciting piece of music this week about fossils. So enjoy the next video. Bye!